anyone can talk while doing their brows, you're the real MVP. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is IPSY time. I have kind of been on and off with IPSY, but today we have it. We're gonna look through it. Disclaimer, I've already looked through it, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and get started. And here is our beautiful, gorgeous IPSY bag. And it's got women of all color on it. It is so stunning. I love this yellow and I love the little details. I love all these bags. They're so freaking cute. And let's just get into some makeup. I'm actually going to do my makeup in this video because I need to run some errands today. So let's switch things up. As it comes to a product, I will show it to you from my IPSY bag, but it turns out there are only 3 of 5 products are actually makeup, and 2 of them are skincare. This is the Dew Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam, and this is the brand I've never heard before. I'm really a drugstore girl, so all these other brands I have not tried, but I do love trying these. I always try new travel size products and see how I like them. And this is the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. Love to have these little travel size guys on hand. They're so good to have. So I'm really excited for this next one. We're gonna go ahead and get into some makeup. This is from First Aid Beauty, the familiar brand. It's called Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract, oils free, safe for sensitive skin. This is what this guy looks like, and it's just a little travel size thing. So I'm super excited to try this. A matte primer. I always try to find primers that go good with cream makeup. Sometimes if they're like silicone in them, they don't really work very well. So I'm just gonna rub this in and see how I like this. And we can just fast forward through some makeup, but let me see how this one feels on the skin. I just opened it. I have not tried it before. This is what it looks like on my finger. Kind of like a, not very, I know it's kind of thick, like a lotion feeling. And then we'll see how it dries down. I'm just gonna apply this all over the face a little bit. Okay, it seems to be drying on my face now, and it feels pretty smooth. It doesn't seem like it's blurred my pores at all. This is a Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. It doesn't look like, I feel like almost the Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. kind of blurs a little bit more than this one. So we're gonna move on, and I'm just gonna do my face. Then I have a brow product and an eyeshadow product from my IPSY bag. So we will do some makeup and we'll catch up on these next products, and I'll show you when I get to that point. So for this makeup today, I'm gonna use my everyday makeup from Mascara Beauty. This is my compact. I have all cream products on top. Open it up again, and on the bottom I have all my powders, bronzers, illuminators, and eyeshadows. And so we're gonna do some makeup, and we'll just make it quick. So I'll just tell you what I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna switch it up and use a different brush today. I'm gonna use the 30-second hack brush, and we're gonna go ahead and dip right into it. Wow, my face looks really red today. I've been working out a lot more, and maybe that's why, from all the sweat, my face has been changing and a little bit more intense red than usual. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. The color I'm using is Candlelit here, and we're just gonna put it all over. have come to the point for our last two IPSY products, and this is the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and this is what it looks like. It's a little travel size guy, and we'll open it up, and of course it's clear. So this is kind of the little spoolie thing of it. So I have tried like a brow gel. Mary Kay has a really good one. I do use them a lot during the summer when I get really oily and sweat in like weird places on my eyelids and my forehead. It's really nice to have your brows stay in place. We're just kind of applying it and brushing the hair strokes to where I would like them to stay, but I'm not really sure which end works better. If anyone can talk while doing their brows, you're the real MVP, because there's so many women that I follow, so many people I follow on YouTube that are they just go silent doing their brows, and I'm just like, I feel ya. I have a hard time doing it. And then when you're doing it, you like make awkward pauses when you're talking. Then the last product we have for IPSY is the Shayna B Miami. This little guy is an eyeshadow duo, and this is the little detailing inside. It's got little flamingos. There's like a nice tan shade and a little shimmer shade. So I'm going to go ahead and use the brush that I've been loving. This is the BBF brush from Mascara Beauty, and I'm just going to dip into this lighter shade. So I'm just gonna go back and forth on my eyelid. I'm not an expert on eyeshadow. This is literally just how I wear my eyeshadow in general. I really like the shade. It's almost like a really nice, and just gives a little bit of dimension to my eyes. I have really dark brown eyes. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and I'll use this shimmer color. And I guess put it on, I'm just gonna dab it a couple times, and we're just gonna pack it on the outside. But yeah, so I really like these eyeshadows. Very beautiful, very pigmented, just not ideal for me. I do love the colors, but I already have similar colors that are already in my compact, and so I'm gonna go ahead and give these to someone else who would love it and use it more than I would. So now that is it. So let's finish the makeup and I will be right back. Alright, so makeup is done. I knew I should have put mascara on first. I didn't, and it just gets so crazy. So if you guys need a tip and you're so messy putting your mascara on with your eyeshadow, just put it on first, clean it up, do your eyeshadow, and then put your mascara on over top of all the powders that landed on them, on your eyelashes. And it just makes life so much easier. So IPSY was so good this time, and I really enjoy all of the skincare products. And then I have the brow setter, which I will definitely be using this summer. Too bad all of our pools are closed here in Idaho where I live, and I usually use these when I go to the pool and just keeps my brows in place. And I'm gonna leave a comment down below, a pinned comment, and let you guys know how I really like this Pores Be Gone matte primer. I will see you by the end of the day, and by the time I edit this video, look in the comments and I'll give you my update. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more makeup fun videos. I have a really fun makeup challenge that I'm gonna do here soon, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you get notified when I do upload these fun makeup videos. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.